guys, it's Stacy from C3 Controls, and today I'm going to be installing a high-density shorting terminal block, its cover, and its marking strips. Let's get started. Installation is quick and easy. For the purpose of this video, I will be using a 6-circuit high-density shorting block. First, we want to take our device and flip it over to show its mounting feet. Find the stationary feet and latching feet. Hook the stationary feet onto the DIN rail and push down to snap the other side into place. To install our included finger-safe cover, match the circuit numbers on the front of the cover or the dimple placement with that of the shorting block. Once you have those matched, push down on each side, snapping the cover into place. To install the optional accessory marking strips, flip it over to find the nodules on the back of the marking strip and match them to the first position on the cover. Flip that over, position, and snap into place. Repeat this process with the other marking strip as well. Removing the cover is simple. Take a flathead screwdriver and place it into the removal slot. Push out to release one side and repeat on the other side, and you're finished. For additional videos, tips, and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website. Thanks, and have a great day.